Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning, seeing some warm temperatures in the mid-60s already. Going to see highs today in the mid to upper 70s before backdoor cold front moves through for later this afternoon. I'm just going to see some partly cloudy conditions as it appears now across the region. No chance of precipitation or lightning, so a very nice day in store across the region until that backdoor cold front comes in later this afternoon with some northeasterly winds picking up across the region. Current surface analysis as of 9Z, we have an area low pressure that's currently moving east of our area, warm front, and a stationary boundary associated with that warm front kind of across the region. That's going to be giving us those warmer conditions as that moves north of our area, and then we'll have that backdoor cold front sagging back south across the region for later this afternoon. Our current observation, a few clouds at 300 feet, a few at 8,000 feet, broken deck 25,000 feet, unrestricted visibilities. Winds of the northwest at 7 knots, temperature 65 degrees, and relative humidity at 84%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do have some low clouds just off to our north, seeing ceilings around 300 feet at Salisbury this morning. So a slight chance that lower cloud moves down to the area, but most likely that'll stay just north of our area this morning. We do have some cloud cover as well, around 4,000 to 5,000 feet across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region that will try to move into the area for this afternoon. But right now, seeing a good amount of sunshine across the region. And that'll be the case throughout much of the morning hours into the afternoon hours before we see some more cloud cover move in, possibly during the late afternoon hour with some low clouds moving in. Taking a look at her model for today, you can see here a good amount of sunshine for this afternoon, and then we'll see some low clouds start to try to build in for late this afternoon into the evening hours across the region. So looking like a good day across the region, and then some cooler temperatures move in for the overnight hours. A high day around 76, low tonight of 48. Northwesterly winds today around 7 to 12, 7 to 13 knots, gusts to 17 knots. Seeing our winds gusting after that cold front moves through northeast, 11 to 16, gusts to 23. So a yellow for our winds this evening into the early overnight hours. Overnight, we'll see winds start to calm down to northeast around 7 to 12 knots, with skies becoming cloudy during the overnight hours. We'll see, in general, good conditions today as far as our cloud coverage goes. VFR conditions expected. We'll see some ceilings, most likely around 4,000 to 5,000 feet this morning, with some stratocumulus clouds developing across the area. As I mentioned, we do have some lower ceilings in Salisbury around 300 feet, so a very slight chance of those low ceilings briefly moving into our region this morning. Most likely that should stay north of our area. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday overcast to mostly cloudy during the morning, becoming mostly to partly cloudy in the afternoon. A slight chance of a shower by the evening hours. We'll see a high of 60 degrees. Friday night cloudy with a chance of a shower, very slight chance of a thunderstorm, a low 51. And for Saturday, overcast, slight chance of shower in the morning, becoming partly cloudy and warm during the afternoon, a high of 68 degrees. Yellows here for our precipitation for all 3 time periods, but won't see much total precipitation, just a few light showers possible, and the best chance looks like it would be Friday night with that cold front moving through the region, giving us that best chance of some showers, only capping around 30 to 40%. So, as I mentioned, seeing those chances for those 3 time frames, but not a high percentage and not a lot of precipitation either across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.